my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm reviewing this Outre unit here. So they have their everywhere, which is, I think it's supposed to be like everyday wear units. And this one is in the style Every 5, and I have it in the color DRFF2/2730. So as you can see, it's a lot of honey blondness going on. It's a little bit lighter right here towards the front. So if you guys are interested in watching me install it as well as what I think about it, then make sure you continue to watch. And of course, make sure you follow me on my socials. They're right here on my screen and they'll be in my description bar below. And then subscribe if you aren't already. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And let's jump into the video. This unit is taking me back to the good old days when units were, well, let me put it this way, when synthetic units were super duper like simple and basic but still cute. Like that's what this gives me. You know, I feel like a lot of units now that are synthetic are coming out with the pre-plucked HD transparent lace. You can use a high heat on them. The parting space is literally all over the world. You can even twist it back, braid it back, have you multiple styles, and you know, have just like parting spaces everywhere, right? Well, this one, super duper easy and simple. You just got your ear to ear lace. You got the one parting space right here in the middle. Very silky texture, you guys, but it's not too silky that it would like remind you of baby doll hair. I feel like this will be a really good unit for any beginner wearers out there who just want to like put their foot in the water and just test the waters with wigs. Definitely will be a good option. They have multiple colors, and also if you are a person who's viewing this video and you are a beginner, they do offer it in regular black, off black, brown, so you can try those options as well. This unit is also very affordable. I think it might be like $27.99. It might be even under that. Very cheap. So they do have a lot of other styles in their Everywhere, you know, collection of units. This one has ear to ear HD lace, natural baby hairs, and it says it has transparent HD lace. You can use heat on it, so it's a little bit upgraded from the back in the day units, but it gives me very basic, very easy vibes for someone who needs to install their wig. Like, this would be literally description point blank of grab and go. I actually really like the wig. I do wish it would be more of a yaki texture for sure. I'm not really into the silky texture, but the color is super pretty. Parting space is wonderful. I do wish that, you know, it had more lace in the front so you could do a little bit more action with the baby hairs, but I tried to finesse it as much as I could to show you like how I would wear it. So I flattened out the roots with my hot comb as low as it would go because I wanted to make sure this was super flat, because I definitely feel like that makes units that are only parting space wise what you can do. If you can flatten it as much as possible right there in that parting space, it makes the unit look a lot more wearable. Rating wise, I would give this unit about an 8 out of 10. She's really cute. She's decent. Super easy to work with. There wasn't really anything terrible going on with this. Didn't experience any shedding, no tangling. The only thing that I would point out that I would feel like would be a con on my end is just the lace. I wish there was more lace exposure, and also it is a tad bit thin. She's on the thin side. I do wish it would have been a little bit thicker. If this unit would have had more hair to it, it would literally be so bomb. Like, for this Everywhere description brand series that they have, if this unit would have been thicker, oh my gosh, it would have been a lot better. So she's like on the thin side for sure. Probably sitting at about 22 inches long is what I would give it. But yeah, that's all my thoughts on today's unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff, and leave me a comment. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.